Hey guys, my name is Afzal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D effect in your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin by bringing the video onto the timeline. Head over to the effects, search for 3D, and under the perspective folder, drag and drop the basic 3D effect onto your video. Go to the effects control panel. Here you have a couple of options: swivel, tilt, distance to image, spectacular highlight, preview. Most of the times, clients' requirements are greatly met with a video-in-video kind of presentation using this effect. When used with other motion properties such as position, scale, it creates a mesmerizing effect. Let me show you how. So just at the start of the timeline, I want the video to come to the screen from behind. So I'm going to set 30 on this one on swivel. On scale, I want to set for 60. And if I set keyframes over here and then move the playhead to a couple of frames later and then set it back to 100 and swivel back to 0. And when I play the video, it creates this mesmerizing effect. It's very nice to use, very handy, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.